Hi, today I'm going to share with you some really fun birthday cake decorating ideas. Let's get started. This is a birthday cake that I made for my daughter when she was 7 years old. She was sharing her birthday with her birthday bud, Sean. And so we created a cake that was going to be shared between the two of them. They loved it. And here's a fun butterfly birthday cake that my sister made for her daughter, Alicia. She took a heart pan and baked 2 heart cakes, and then, as you can see here, cut the ends so that they would become wings. It's really fun to just be creative and take the pans that you have and create something with it. She used old-fashioned dotting technique with her icing, her piping skills, and had some fun using licorice and Smarties and all kinds of goodies to decorate with. Her daughter loved it. Making car cakes for birthdays is really fun. My ex really loved the Citroen DS, so I made him a Citroen DS for his birthday. Making other fun car and vehicle cakes is also a lot of fun. So I made this one for a friend of mine. They actually kept the topper for over a year in their freezer. Here's one I did for another friend of ours, and there's my little daughter with her hippopotamus cake. Here's a really cute and simple fairy flower cake that I made for my best friend's daughter. It was super easy. It was just a round cake, and I had fun decorating all kinds of petals and using yummy icings. I really enjoyed making this cake, but more importantly, my best friend's daughter absolutely loved it. Making fun birthday cakes really does not have to be hard and complicated. It's about giving from your heart, and even baking a heart, and just making it fun and yummy, and sprinkling on the goodies that you know the person with the birthday is going to enjoy the most. Sometimes you'll get people who want a birthday cake specifically for a certain kind of flower. This was actually a cake I made for my friend's mother's wedding, and it was a lily of the valley cake. It was easy to make, but it was so beautiful. I marbled the fondant. I used my homemade marshmallow fondant. I left a link in the description below for you for that, so you can grab that for free. Another really fun kind of birthday cake that you can make is a pinata cake. What you do is you take a bowl and you coat the bowl with milk chocolate or real chocolate, and then you use that shell as the piece that will be smashed, will be broken. So instead of a candle, you're actually smashing open the cake, and inside there's all kinds of candies. So this is one that I made. Now my daughter saw me making my pinata cake for a friend of mine who wanted a pinata cake for her birthday, and she wanted to make one for my birthday. She had so much fun making it and putting the candy in, although she wanted to eat a lot of the candy. She had a ton of fun decorating it, although I have to say she ate a lot of the decorations too. And I just had so much fun smashing my cake open for my birthday. It was a wonderful memory. So here is a really cute rocket ship birthday cake that I made for my son. Let me show you a little trick. When you go to decorate your cakes, put a little bit of icing on the cake plate first. That will help anchor your cake so that it doesn't slide off your cakes. I've actually created a video right here that you can look at to watch how that actually works. So this was a fun rocket ship birthday cake that I made for my son that he absolutely loved helping me make and loved eating, filled with all kinds of yummy treats and candies all over the edge of it. Some of the simple cake decorating ideas for birthdays that you can do to really personalize is just to do a number for the age of the person or a letter for their first name. It's really simple. You cut out the cake in the shape of the number or the letter and then just have fun decorating it. No fondant necessary. Another really simple birthday cake decorating idea that you can do is just to create a simple, elegant birthday cake like this one, where you cover it with just one layer of icing and then pipe on some beautiful curls or designs, just free-handed. It comes out so pretty and your guests will love it. Quite often after I've decorated a cake, I've cut pieces off and then I keep those. I store them in the freezer, and then when an opportunity comes up for another birthday cake and I don't have time to bake a cake, I take those pieces of cake that I had left over and just have fun putting them together and maybe decorating them just with chocolate sprinkles or other candies or fresh fruit. It's super, super yummy, so tasty, so yummy, and everyone loves it, and then you're not wasting any cake.
I hope that was really inspiring. I can't wait to see the cakes that you're going to make. If you'd like to know my favorite sponge cake vanilla recipe, it's delicious. Have a look over here. And if you want to try my mocha buttercream icing, it's to die for. Check it out over here. And they're both super easy, super versatile. And don't forget, take a look in the description below. Description below. I've also got my homemade marshmallow fondant recipe for you. Enjoy!